Let me tell you a little bit about my practice. My practice areas are, it's basically, I call it small business law. There's no such thing as small business law, but it's really small businesses. I do commercial litigation, which lately has been the bulk of my practice. I do, partnership disputes that have gone bad. I look at 2 minutes remaining. That didn't realize the time went flat. Do I have 2 minutes?
No, you have. You have 4 minutes.
Thanks again. After this, we're going to talk about my trip to Vegas to spice things up a little bit, just for that. My typical client is a small business owner. It is the gas station owner. It is your retail store. It is your restaurant. I even have, we're in video, we have a company that does male nutritional products. So they're one of my clients as well. What they want is to have their legal problem resolved as soon as possible. And that is basically, if I was going to talk about a trademark of my practice, I try to solve their problem as soon as possible. They don't have time to spend 10 months of legal fees to see their problem resolved. So what I try to do is say, how do you want to see your problem resolved? What is the outcome? What is the budget that you have to solve your problem? Small business owners don't have unlimited funds. They have limited funds. So when they call any one of us, someone is not getting paid, or some bill is not getting paid, or then perhaps the business owner is not getting paid, him or herself. But they're borrowing the money from a credit card or credit line. Very few times, actually never, a business owner gets up in the morning and says, gee, I just want to call lawyers to have extra money to spend. They don't. They get a lawsuit, somebody is threatening to sue them, and they have that immediate need, that emergency, that they are terrified. So when I work with them, because I was a business owner myself and I still am, is that I work with them within the budget and I try to come up with the most creative solution possible to solve the problem within their means. We have a myriad of litigation strategies. We can do discovery, all the 10, 15 depositions. They do not want to hear that. They want to hear, this is the way I propose I can solve the problem for you. And this is the course of action that I like to take. And if we're both on the same page, we'll take the course of action. There are no guarantees. But as we know, litigation is a tool for negotiation. And my job as an attorney is to use those tools, the most effective tools, within their budget to get the other side to change their position to get to the negotiating table. The reason they hire me, the reason I have good reviews, is because I yield results. I'm very creative in my approach for assistance. I can use a soft approach, I can use a hardline approach. And that's the reason that I enjoy working with this client base, because the business owners understand, solve the problem now, and that's what I do.